I'm trying to walk them down, we shoot them up, they talk about. I bet I walk how I walk the beat, I bet I walk that pussy down. Yeah, I bet I walk the nigga, yeah, I bet I part the nigga.
Man, make the trap, hey!
What's going on, fam, y'all? You know I'm back again with no motherfucking video, obviously. You feel me? But like, it been 8 days, you feel me? I ain't talked to y'all in a minute, you feel me? So y'all go ahead and just let me know how y'all doing this shit, you feel me? I got y'all with L5 preset. And I only don't do rap, but I do multiple genres. Like I did the R&B, I did a Sofego, you feel me? I did King Carson. I got a BK one, the BK, the Ruler preset, and I also got a KO Banks preset. But like, I don't know, because I didn't work on them, you feel me? I don't want to give y'all no trash crap. And I'm trying to work on my language in my videos, so shit. I mean, you feel me? So yeah, so I mean, got y'all, you feel me? But anyway, further ado, let's go ahead and get into this, you feel me? Gonna go ahead and add my little three tracks real quick. Alright, let's see. I gotta figure out how I wanna do this all day, you feel me? Oh, okay, alright. I'm trying to walk little buddy down it. I'm trying to take little buddy down there, chop feet, and take it long. I got her glass now, man. Alright.
Juice, man, Gucci, man, make the trap, hey!
Alright, that shit work, you feel me? Y'all nigga probably look at me like I'm crazy or something, like. I got glass now, my switch, you know these niggas.
Man, make the trap, hey!
Put a switch up on the GTA, he can't this ain't regular, It's switch y'all, put it. I put a switch up on these G2, ain't regular, they gon' I messed it up again, fam. I put a switch up on these G2, ain't regular, switch y'all. Alright, let's see. I got gloss and I'm my own. Switch up on these G2 ain't regular, switch okay. I gotta turn these up a little bit. Let me say that bit sound a bit. Alright.
Man, make the trap, hey!
Switch up on these G2 ain't regular, switch gloss and I'm gonna switch it up. Yeah, I gotta get that FL Studio, my guy. I gotta learn how to use that bit. So you know what I'm saying? I can bring it to y'all. But like I said, y'all watch my my little vlog that I did. It's a 5-minute video. I don't really care y'all watch it or not. But y'all did, you feel me? I appreciate y'all. But yeah. Switch up on these G2 ain't regular, switch up. It switch up. Do your license, sir. Do your license grip. Fuck around and I might whip you up. Switch up on these G2 ain't regular, switch up. Do your license grip and mess around, I just whip you up. I'm trying to work on my language like I told you. So I'm not saying I'm not cussing, bro. I'm not cussing. Watch this. I'm doing it without cussing, bro. Yeah. Switch up on these G2 ain't regular, switch up. Do you like some grits and mess around and I just whip you up. Mess around and I just whip you up. Boy, I put that belt to add like nigga, you do regular, switch up. Do you like some grits and mess around and I just whip you up. Like these niggas know I put that belt to add like I might just whip them up. Mess around and I just whip you up. These niggas know I put that belt to add, they know I whip them up. They know I whip them up. Alright, if it like some grits and mess around, I just whip you up. These niggas know I put that belt in, they know I whip them up. Chop Glock, these niggas know it, so I might just get it all.
Juice, man, Gucci, man, make the trap, hey! Switch up on these G2 ain't regular, switch up. Do you like some grits and mess around, I just whip you up. These niggas know I put that belt in, they know I whip them up. What should I say, fam? Like, what would y'all have said, bro? Because I don't even know what I... You know what I'm saying? Like, I gotta start writing lyrics or something. I be freestyling, it be hard, but my nigga, like... Oh, okay, sound like a little straight. Niggas know I put that belt in, they know I whip them up. They saw my suit of me, the only thing they gon' be shooting is movies. I got So now these bitches, you know, I'm ready to go.
Alright.
These niggas know I put that belt in, they know I whip them all. They saw my suit of me, the only thing they gon' be shoot is movies.
The only thing they gonna shoot is movies. Only thing they shoot movies.
Put that belt in, they know I whip them all. They saw my suit of me, the only thing they shoot is probably movies. I can't only bitch, I'll get them other groovy.
Oh, fuck. They gonna span in there, bitch.
They know I whip them all. They saw my suit of me, the only thing they shoot is probably movies. I can't.
Alright, yeah, that's straight. These niggas, oh, what am I say? These niggas Lil League, they probably still suck on my mama booty. I mean,
they saw my suit of me, the only thing they shoot is probably movies.
Oh, what I had said, fam? Oh my god, I be forgetting it, fam. These niggas Lil League, the Lil League, the only thing they Lil League, they probably still, they probably still in the jump off that port.
Suit of me, the only thing they shoot is probably movies. These niggas Lil League, they probably still ain't need jump off the porch.
I got glasses on my, they probably still ain't need jump off the porch.
They shoot is probably movies. These niggas Lil League, they probably still ain't need jump off the porch.
I get glasses on my story.
Suit of me, the only thing they shoot is probably movies. These niggas Lil League, they probably still ain't need jump off the porch. These niggas Lil League, they probably still ain't need jump off the porch. They probably jump off the porch.
Alright, that's the little L5 preset right there. But shit, I'm gonna go ahead and do the ad lib because I can't do it without the ad lib, you feel me? Why would I do that?
I'm trying to walk little buddy down and chop the feet and take it long.
I'm trying to walk little buddy down and chop the feet and take it long. Alright, I'm trying to walk little buddy down and chop the feet and take it long.
Man, make the trap.
I'm trying to walk little buddy down and chop the feet and take it long. Switch up on these chicks who ain't regular and switch up.
Alright.
Switch up on these chicks who ain't regular and switch up. I do it like some Christian man.
Alright, the camera's successfully back on. You feel me? Now we straight back. So motherfucking no one know goddamn ad lib, cuz. Real.
These niggas know I put that belt in, they know I whip them all. They saw my suit of me, the only thing they shoot is probably movies. My suit of me, the only thing they shoot is probably movies. My suit of me, the only thing they shoot is probably movies. These niggas Lil League, they probably still ain't need jump off the porch. Niggas Lil League, they probably still ain't need jump off.
I can't.
Probably movies. These niggas Lil League.
We done. I'm sorry, y'all. What? But I'm gonna go ahead get it, y'all. You feel me? I'm gonna let y'all hear from right here. Y'all gonna hear from right here. Turn the little thing off. Boat.
Man, make the trap.
I'm trying to walk little buddy down and chop the feet and take it long. Switch up on these chicks who ain't regular and switch up. I do it like some Christian mess around. I just whip you all. These niggas know I put that belt in, they know I whip them all. They saw my suit of me, the only thing they shoot is probably movies. These niggas Lil League, they probably still ain't need jump off the porch. They probably jump off the porch.
Alright, thank y'all for sticking to the end, you feel me? Y'all better just make sure y'all like and subscribe, you feel me? Like and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Cause I would do it for you if I seen your content, you feel me? So, with that being said, y'all have a great day, fam. Thanks for watching my content. I'll see y'all boy later.
Why they mad at me? I'm just trying to make a way. Niggas flexing in my face, so I made them give it up.